If you're looking for a full-size truck that doesn't drink fuel like one, check out this 2023 Ford F-150 Supercrew here at Bryan's Car Corner in Chickasha. It's built with a 3.5-liter hybrid V6, giving you truck capability alongside efficiency rated at 23 city and 23 highway miles per gallon. This one comes in blue with four-wheel drive for confident traction, and it's got real safety smarts on board, including lane keeping assist, a pre-collision warning system with both audible and visual alerts, and front side curtain airbags. It's sitting right around 94,000 miles. The price is $49,888 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $50,187. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Come see this F-150 in person, give us a call, or visit bryanscarcorner.com to learn more.